Hello everyone, today we are discussing some important questions from the quadratic equation chapters. There are three types of questions asked in the exam. The first type, find the roots of the quadratic equation by the factorization method and by formula method. By formula method. And second type of questions, find the discriminant. Discriminant that means b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Find the discriminant and write the nature of the roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real and distinct. If b square minus 4ac is less equals to 0, then the roots are real and equal. If this is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. Imaginary roots are no real roots. Based on these three conditions, question will be asked. For Karnataka State Board, directly they will ask find the roots of the quadratic equation by using the formula or by the factorization method. And another type of questions, find the discriminant and write the nature of the roots. For CBSE, based on these concepts they will ask a question, but the difference here, sometimes they will ask give the condition. In the place of ABC they give a K or ABC like that only without giving any number. Find the value of K, find the value of B, find the value of A and the value of C. Based on that they will ask a question. And third type of questions for CBSE, sentence based question or word problem will be given to you. Write the quadratic equation, after that you have to solve the questions. That question will be asked for 5 marks only. Now we are discussing the one by one questions here. Here in this question, find the roots of quadratic equation by factorization method. The similar to the find the value of the zeros. Here also same thing. Already we are studying in polynomial chapters how to find the roots and how to find the zeros. Here also same thing. But this is a quadratic equation, and in the polynomial chapter we are finding the roots are the zeros by the factorization method also. Here find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0 by the factorization method. First we write the equation. Equation is x square plus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. Before factorizing we need to know about how to factorize, how to split up the middle term. First we need to observe the constant term. Here the constant term is 12 and the coefficient of x square is 1. Product of these two numbers is 12. That means the product choose the integers. The product should be 12 and the sum or the difference is plus 7. Based on that we are choosing the integers. Now we are choosing that there are two integers. The first one is 4 and second one is a 3. 4 into 3 we are getting the 12. But here we need plus 12. That's why both are positive. Then only we are getting the positive. If both are negative, in that time also we are getting the plus 12. That's why both are the positive. In the middle term plus 7 is there. That's why we take both are positive, because 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Based on that, but to split up the middle term 7x, we write in terms of 4x plus 3x. X square write as it is plus 3x plus 4x plus 12 is equals to 0. From first two terms x take a common and remaining x plus 3 3. In next two terms 4 will be common, again x plus 3 will be remains, that is equals to 0. Again x plus 3 take a common and remaining x plus 4. Now take a x plus 3 is equals to 0 and x plus 4 is equals to 0. After transferring the 3 to the right side, x is equals to minus 3 and the same way x is equals to minus 4. Now the roots of the quadratic equations minus 3 and minus 4. Now move to the next one question. In this question, find the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0, here also by the factorization method. First we are writing the given equation x square 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Here the constant term is 2 and the coefficient of x square is 1. The product should be 2 and sum and the difference of the integers is plus 3. Now we are choosing the integers 2 and 1. 2 into 1 we are getting the 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Now the middle term split up into 2x plus x. X square plus 2x plus x plus 2 is equals to 0. From first two terms x take a common and remaining x plus 2. Next two terms plus 1 take a common and remaining x plus 2, that is equals to 0. X plus 2 again common, take outside x plus 2 and remaining in the first term x will be remaining in the second term plus 1, that is equals to 0. And after that x is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to minus 1. These are the roots of this quadratic equation x square plus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. Move to the next one question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by formula. By quadratic formula or the pi formula. For Karnataka State Board, they will ask based on the formula only. 2 marks questions. Now the formula is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac is equals to b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Before that, we need to identify the a, b, c values from this equation. The a means the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1. And the b means coefficient of x minus 5 and c is equals to 1 is there. C means a constant term. Put these a, b, c values in this formula, directly we get the roots. Now x is equals to minus b is b value is minus 5 minus in the bracket minus 5 plus or minus square root of b value is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2a, 2 into 1. Then x is equals to minus into minus plus 5 plus or minus square root of minus 5 square is 25 minus 4 divided by 2. After that x is equals to 5 plus or minus square root of 25 minus 4 is 21 by 2. Then write the two roots. X is equals to 5 plus square root of 21 by 2 and another one is 5 minus square root of 21 divided by 2. These are the roots of the quadratic equations. This question will be one of the simple question. Now here the question, find the discriminant. Find the discriminant of the quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 5 and write the nature of the roots. First we are finding the discriminant. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. Here a is equals to 1 is there, a equal to 1 and b is equals to 4 and c is equals to 5 is there. Put the ABC value in this formula discriminant B is 4, 4 square minus 4 into 1 into C value is a 5. That is equals to 4 square is 16, 4 into 5 is 20. Then that is equals to 16 minus 20 is minus 4. Now the roots of this quadratic equations are no real roots. No real roots are imaginary roots. Nature of the roots. Nature, the roots are imaginary. Imaginary are no real roots. This question will be compulsory for both state board and CBSE, but in the CBSE they will, in the place of ABC, they give a K, B, A, C, like that they given. For Karnataka state board they will ask directly find the discriminant and write the nature of the roots. Sometimes they will ask a 1 mark questions for R, sometimes they will ask a 2 marks questions for state board. Move to the next one question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k, which is the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0, has a real and equal roots. Here the roots are equal, real and equal. Find the value of k. If the roots are real and equal, the condition is b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. In this quadratic equation, a is equals to 2 and b is equals to k is there and c is equals to 3. Put the ABC values in this equation. B is k is there, k square minus 4 into 2 into 3, that is equals to 0. Then k square write as it is. 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 3 is 24 is equals to 0. Then the k square is equals to, after transferring the 24 to the right side, that becomes positive. K square is equals to 24 and k is equals to square root of 24. Then after that k is equals to root 24 or otherwise you have to 24 write in terms of 4 into 6. The 4, after taking the square root of 4, it will become a 2. That's why 2 root 6. This is the value of k for this quadratic equation. Move to the next one question. If the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0 has 2 real and equal roots. Here also roots are real and equal. That means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. In this quadratic equation, a is equals to 1 and b is equals to, b is there and c is equals to 9. Put the ABC value in this expression. B square is as it is, b square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 9, that is equals to 0. B square minus 4 into 9 is 36 is equals to 0. Transfer the 36 to the right side. B square minus 4ac is equals to 0. That's why you have to transfer the 36 to the right side. That means b square is equals to 36. And after that, take the square root. B is equals to square root of 36 and b is equals to 6 will be there. The value of b is 6. I hope everyone understand very well. In the next class, we are discussing the more questions. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.